In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the execute block in Visual Code. The execute block runs a sequence of visual code that's been saved as an action. This makes it easy to reuse the same behavior across multiple objects without rebuilding the same visual code over and over again. To follow along, add the objects you'll need: several coins, a text object to display the score, one audio object for the sound effect, and a score variable to keep track of the total. Next, open Visual Code and add the When Action is Executed block. Rename the action to Collected Coins so it's easy to identify later. Now let's build the action. First, add the Set Media block and set the audio object to Playing so a sound plays whenever a coin is collected. Then add the Change Variable by 1 block to increase the score variable by 1. Next, move the coin upward by 2 units over 1 second. Then rotate it 180 degrees to the left, also over 1 second, to create a simple collection animation. Then use Set Visibility of Self and change the value to false with a duration of 0.5 seconds, so the coin disappears after it's collected. Finally, add the Update Text block. Select the Score text object, then choose the score variable so the number displayed on the screen updates automatically each time a coin is collected. Now add the When Object is Clicked block and select one of the coin objects. Connect it to the Execute Action block, then choose the Collected Coins action you just created. If your scene contains multiple coins, simply use the same Execute Action block for each one. Every coin will run the Collected Coins action without needing its own copy of the visual code. If you ever want to change how the coins behave, just update the Collected Coins action. Every object that uses it will automatically follow the latest version. By using the Execute block, your visual code stays cleaner, is easier to manage, and makes building larger projects much more efficient.